Spec, Ater Torch, Ishonef, Twanj, feature details, model and oscillation pedestal, floor, fan with omnidirectional oscillation, oscillates 120 degrees horizontally plus 120 degrees vertically. This means the fan head can both sweep side to side and tilt up/down to cover more of the room. Amazon Airflow, CQ, reach claims to deliver airflow up to 90 feet, distance the wind can travel, and circulates the air in a room of about 105 square feet within approximately 1 minute using its turbo wind mode. Amazon Noise Level Very Quiet Operation, listed at about 20 decibels in its lowest, quietest mode. Amazon Speeds and Modes has 9 speed settings and 6 modes. Modes include things like Auto Mode, which adjusts speed based on temperature, Sleep/Natural Mode, Turbo, etc. Amazon +1 Timer, up to 8-hour timer for this particular model. Amazon Size, height, adjustable pedestal height, about 37 to 42 inches tall. Amazon Other Features includes a remote control, Wi-Fi/voice assistant compatibility, works with Alexa/Google, etc., RGB light, LED ring or light feature, app control via Drio's app. This kitchen system is especially useful if you want one machine that can do multiple jobs, blending, food processing, single serve, crushing ice, etc. Regularly make large batches, smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, dough, and want enough capacity. Value preset programs so you can press a button rather than guessing how long to blend/pulse. Don't mind a bit of loudness and have enough countertop/storage space. If instead you only make small smoothies occasionally, or don't need processor dough functionality, etc. Something simpler, more compact, might be more cost-efficient.
This is the
Advantages,
Kasuri rice cooker,
strengths.
and I
Here
absolutely
are
love
what
this.
seem like
So
the
first
strong
of all, I love
points
the
of this
size,
cooker.
You know, that it's
Versatility.
nice and small, so it fits in
With
your
18
kitchen
functions,
counter very
you're not
easily.
limited
That's not
to
a problem
plain
at
white
all.
rice,
And it comes
brown
with all
rice,
these different
other
options. You can
grains,
cook white
oats,
rice, brown rice,
stews,
oatmeal grains,
sautéed rice,
whatever you want. So,
etc.
you know, that's kind of really
That
nice.
helps
And I
if you
love this
cook a
keep warm
variety of
option over here
dishes.
as well. Let me show
Large
you how it looks
capacity,
from the inside.
good for
So
families
you
or
just
meal
open
prep.
it up.
Can
This
cook
is a
quite a
great
lot at
option to
once.
have. So this is a
Fuzzy
steaming
logic
basket. So if
technology
you want to steam vegetables or
helps in
anything,
adjusting
that is a
automatically
great
for better
option.
results.
I absolutely love this.
Less risk
And this
of
is how
under
the
or
inside of
overcooking.
the rice cooker looks like.
Delay
so let me
timer
take
and
out this
long
pot
keep
and I'll
warm.
show you a couple
Helps
of
with
different
planning.
things. So it has
Cook
all these
ahead
markings over
and
here
keeping
on the
rice
side,
warm for
which is
hours
really
without
nice.
drying
If you're
out too
cooking rice,
badly.
brown rice, or white rice,
Non-stick
you
ceramic
know
pot.
what the measurement should
Ceramic
be and the water
generally
level and
helps
stuff
with
like
non-stick and
then
easier
over here
cleaning.
we have the
Fewer
measurement
issues
for
with
oats
rice sticking and
porridge
burning
stuff like that, and
if
for
used
barley as well.
properly.
And this is the level
Steamer
where you need
basket
to put
and
the water
sauté
in.
mode
So if you're steaming
allows some
anything, this is the level where you
multifunctionality.
need to put the water,
Steaming
and then you can
veggies,
put the
sautéing
steaming
parts of a
basket
recipe.
inside it.
So it isn't just
really
a rice
like this.
cooker.
I have cooked rice in there. You
Dishwasher
can cook,
safe parts
you know, something that's
makes
cooked in the
cleanup
similar
easier.
time.